Hello, Miss Hilda. Now I will tell how to make a bookmark. First, you need some colored paper, scissors, and some felt tip pens. First, you have to make your paper become square. But if it's already square, you don't have to do it. And go to the next step. You need to bring this button side to the top and fold it, and it became a triangle. And fold this right hand side to the top like this, and repeat on the other side. So it will look like this. And open it until it looks like a triangle. And fold this over until it looks like this. Only one side. And you have to flap this over to the inside. And repeat on the other side. And done! This is my bookmark. Thank you!